Hey everyone, I'm David, one of the beauty directors at Sephora, and in this video, I'm going to be talking all about Bakuchiol. Yes, this is a buzzworthy ingredient I'm sure you've seen, and that is how you say it, I promise. Since this is one of our beauty newbie videos, I'm going to keep this really easy to understand so everyone can walk away becoming a Bakuchiol expert. So why has this ingredient become so popular? Mainly because it's a fantastic, gentle alternative to retinol. So it's going to provide you with all those same benefits without any of the potential irritation that can come from retinoids. So I've got some fantastic products that I'm going to walk you through to show you just how easy it is to implement Bakuchiol into your everyday skincare routine, not only for your face, but also for your body. Very cool. Let's jump right in. Okay, the first product I want to discuss with you is a serum. Now, I particularly think serums are the easiest way to incorporate new ingredients into your skincare routine because you don't have to change any of your major products. You don't have to switch out your moisturizer, let's say. You can basically get a serum, try it out, and see whether or not you like that ingredient. So this one's from Sephora collection, and this is the Targeted Wrinkle Serum, and it's exactly that because it's a 1% Bakuchiol serum. So it's fantastic at helping to minimize those fine lines and wrinkles, as well as all those other great attributes of Bakuchiol. But it's a nice, lightweight serum. So if you take a look here, really nice, lightweight, good for any skin type because it's not going to add any oil or anything to your skin. It's going to quickly absorb in. So even if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, it doesn't matter. Everyone can benefit and use this without any change to their current skincare routine. I just think it's fantastic and affordable. Definitely check this one out. So up next, this is a moisturizer, and this is from a newer brand. This is Ranavat, and this is the Renewing Bakuchi Creme. So this is a fantastic moisturizer that's going to hydrate your skin, repair, and renew it because it's filled with hydrating capabilities. As you can see, it's a really luxurious, rich cream. So it's gonna definitely hydrate your skin. And then it's got that Bakuchiol in it. So it's really gonna work at repairing your skin. Remember, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, dealing with dark spots and discoloration. So overall, this is a wonderful moisturizer to really work at bringing out the best of your skin. Okay, so up next, I'm going to be talking about an eye cream, and Bakuchiol is perfect for the eye area because it's going to deliver all those benefits without any of the irritation, and since the skin around your eye is much thinner, it can often be susceptible to irritation. So this is from Ulla Henriksen, and this is the Wrinkle Blur Bakuchiol Eye Gel Creme, and it's a fantastic lightweight cream that has all the benefits of Bakuchiol, plus it will give a little bit of blurring to the under eye. And this is great for anyone of any age. I think eye creams are something you can start when you're younger to really help prevent any fine lines and wrinkles from developing. So no matter what, I think anyone can benefit from this, and it's easy to incorporate into your routine to see those Bakuchiol benefits. Okay, so up next is for your body. Yes, Bakuchiol is great for your body as well. Because of the fact that it really does what a retinol does, it can really help your body if you have dry skin, dry patches, or if you're just looking to refresh your body's skin, right? We take care of our faces, we should take care of our bodies as well. This is from Dr. Dennis Gross, and these are the Alpha Beta Exfoliating Body Treatment Peels. So these are similar to his Alpha Beta peels for the face in that they have alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid, which are great exfoliating acids. When you combine the Bakuchiol in there, you get all those great benefits, none of the irritation, and just a fantastic looking body, right? That's what we all want, especially with summer approaching. So let me show you what they look like. They all come pre-packaged, which is really helpful because you don't got to worry about how much you need to use. It's all in there. Simply open it up. You got a pad. Now this is folded. So a recommendation that I have is keep it folded. use one of the squares here, use it over an area until you feel that area is dry, then unfold, use more, then unfold, use more, and then unfold and use more. This way you make sure you're distributing the product evenly enough over all of your body so you don't leave anything out. And really these are very saturated with product, so you definitely have more than enough in here, and the results are virtually instantaneous. Because of the alpha hydroxy acid and the beta hydroxy acids, you will see instant results. You will definitely see smoother, glowing skin right away. Okay, so there you have it. Your basics on Bakuchiol. So now you're all experts and you can see that Bakuchiol is fantastic for everyone of every age and skin type. And you can all easily incorporate this wonderful ingredient into your routine, whether it's in a serum, a moisturizer, an eye cream, or even body pads. So let me know in the comments section below if you're currently using any Bakuchiol products and which ones you are and why you love them, because I love to hear about that. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from us every single week. And until next time, take a moment for yourself, add a little Bakuchiol, let your skin shine, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.